If you want to change the position of an object on your photo on Google Pixel 10, you can open the Photos app. Then we can select the photo that we wish to edit, and then we're going to tap on Edit over here at the bottom of the screen. Now in here, we can select the subject that we wish to move. So I'm going to just draw around this car toy over here, and then we can choose Move. Wait a couple of seconds. And now we can drag the selected subject in order to change its position. So let's say I want to move it over here into this spot. And now we need to tap on Move at the bottom. Unfortunately, I seem to have some internet issues, but let's see if it works regardless. Hopefully it does. Okay, so in my case, it actually moved. If in your case there is like an endless loading, then you might want to go back and try to use the Move tool again. And there we go. So as you can see, the subject was indeed moved. Let's actually press this check over here. But as you can see, we have some things that could be improved because we have this shadow left. So what we can do is try to select the area over here. Let's see if it works. And we can try to erase. And let's see if that helps. Just to try to fix that spot over here. And there we go. It works. There is something left behind over here. But of course, we should be able to also select this thing and erase that as well. And that should be it. There we go. I think it looks pretty good now. So let's save it. Let's press this check in the bottom right corner. And now we can save our photo. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.